Y'all, this is recording. Hi guys, welcome to an Akibento review for the month of March. Even though it's not March anymore.
What's March?
Alright, so, for those of you who don't know, Akibento is this box company. They send you a box per month, and it's got anime and manga merch and stuff, and it's different themes every month. This month's theme, This month's theme was Universe.
Ooh.
So I don't know what's gonna be in it, obviously.
Spoop.
The whole universe is going to be in this box.
You just hit the universe.
I did.
Oh no.
Let's open it, shall we?
I will single-handedly destroy the universe. Oh my god.
What's going on?
He's a big, strong man.
So basically, you sign up, you subscribe, and you get these boxes per month.
You have to be aggressive too.
Alright, I opened it. Are you ready? Are you ready for this?
Yes.
You're not ready.
I'm ready.
I'm ready. The universe.
Everything's ready.
Okay. Drum roll, please.
There's a bomb in it.
Yay! Alright, let's see what's up.
Is that a plushie?
It sure is. Wait, for those of you who don't know.
Oh my god.
Hold on. Every time you get a box, you get this paper on the bottom, and it basically tells you what's in it, just in case you don't know the series, so that you'll know. And if you don't know, now you know. Taking back the crown. Okay. Ready? So what's this?
Dragon Ball Z.
Wow, we got
Soup.
Dragon Ball Super plushie. Here you go, you hold it. What's this? Oh my god, it's Naruto Ramen.
Yeah, I want it.
I didn't put you guys in the video so that everyone could take my stuff.
Okay.
We'll have it
You
together.
get it. Lee deserves it.
Me, I deserve it.
You deserve it.
I deserve more though.
We got, oh, there goes.
Black Rock Shooter.
Sticker.
Black Rock Shooter.
I don't know what anime that is, but it looks really
It's the best thing. I want to cosplay from it so
Me
bad.
too.
I want to watch it now.
I have a doujin of it.
What's going on?
Yes.
Not that way.
Oh, what's this? Oh,
Oh,
Neon Evangelion. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Playing card. No! Ooh, it's every month comes with an exclusive Akibento shirt that you cannot get anywhere else.
What is it?
An exclusive Universe shirt.
Yay!
It's an Evangelion reference.
That's how you pronounce it?
Evangelion.
I said Evangelion. No one corrected me.
Angela, I didn't know what I'm saying.
And it's just my size, because they know your size.
Cause
Oh, look. And if you enter the selfie contest, you can win a Naruto.
Yeah, I was the winner
Oh,
of
shit.
Fridays, or I mean not Friday, February or January's. I don't know which one. I won the selfie contest and I got a figurine in the mail.
Wow.
And we have an exclusive Universe pin.
Nani?
And we have what is
A
this?
mouse pad.
Oh, it's another Black Rock
Oh,
Shooter.
it's a mouse pad for
Black
your
Rock
mouse.
Shooter.
Anime.
Not an actual live mouse, but a computer mouse.
I'd be scared if there was an actual mouse.
Though I guess you
Oh
could
my
use
God.
it for your live mouse too.
If you want.
If you're live mouse,
Use it as a bed.
to anime.
It's a bed.
Bed. Okay. Wow, this was a cool box, man. I liked it. I especially liked the ramen and the playing cards.
I want
And
the
the shirts.
ramen.
We're gonna eat the ramen together. Ready in 3 minutes.
But that's
He looks
Your
constipated.
sweater hurts.
The big
Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching this lovely little review. If you want to see them all in the next review, leave comments and stuff. But like, they're super loud. Akibento's gonna be like, why did you have so many loud people in your review? As opposed to normal. So, all links down in the description below as usual, and you can have a super cool code, and you can get your first box for $20. So that's great, because all the stuff that you get is a value higher than what you pay. So it's definitely worth the investment.
Wow.
Full of cool merch.
Wow.
Wow. And every month, like I said, is a different theme, so you'll get to try different animes and mangas, and sometimes you get plushies, sometimes you get pop figures, mangas, you always get t-shirts, so it's super cool. One time I got a One Punch Man apron. That was awesome.
That's my mood.
So, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Do check it out in Akibento. As always, thank you for sponsoring me, and I can't wait to see you next month.
Sponsor me, Akibento.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.